Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize slide master layout in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Open PowerPoint 2007. In my previous tutorial, I have shown how to customize slide master to apply design changes before adding slide content. Come to View, select Slide Master. PowerPoint provides many default layouts, some of which we will use and some of which we can delete to keep them simpler and reduce the file size. If you want to add additional slide layouts, click on Insert Layout and it will open blank document with title, and it will be applied by all attributes from Slide Master. To add the body placeholders, click on Insert Placeholder. Here we will get various placeholders such as content, text, picture, chart, table, smart art, media and clipart. To hold specific type of content, select a placeholder, come to slide, click and drag to create the placeholder area. Similarly, I want to insert chart, and we can also create a layout by duplicating a existing layout. For that, right click on a layout and select duplicate layout. Otherwise, we can also use Ctrl D shortcut key from our keyboard to create the duplicate layout. And after that, we can modify the layout as per our requirement. Another way to create a layout is right click on a layout and select copy. After that, come to the location where you want to insert it, right click and select paste. From the slides showing in the slides pane, if you want to delete a placeholder, select the placeholder and hit delete from our keyboard. And if you want to delete bullets, come to home menu, select the body and come to bullets. Here please select none. Similarly, if you want to delete a slide layout, right click on the slide and select delete layout from the shortcut menu. After this, if you want to move the layouts to change its sequence, select the layout, drag it and drop where you want to place it. And if you want to select multiple slides, press Ctrl and select the multiple slide. After this, we can customize them at a time. By customizing slide masters, we can create precisely the presentation design and layouts we need. If we want a section of our presentation to look different from the rest of the slides with its own layouts, we need to create an additional slide master for that section. To insert the slide master, again come to the slide master. Here please click on Insert Slide Master. Otherwise, right click on existing slide master and select duplicate slide master. Then we will get another slide master with various layouts. Again, delete the slide layouts that don't use. After that, come to Slide Master, and here we can apply the changes that we want to make. After selecting the background, please don't click on Apply to All, otherwise it will overlap previous slide master also. So simply click on Yes. After this, if you want to save this as theme, right click on the second slide master and select Rename Master. Enter a name for your slide master and click on Rename. After this, come to Normal View. And if you want to change the theme that we have created with the second slide master, come to Design. Here we will get the theme customized by second slide master. Select that and it will apply to all the slides. We can also customize slide layouts individually. For that, again come to Slide Master. Here select this slide and apply the changes. Again right click on this and select Rename Layout and enter a name for your layout. Click on Rename. After that, come to Normal View. And after this, I want to replace a slide layout with individually customized slide layout. For that, select a slide, come to Layout, and here it will show the slide layout that we have individually customized. Select that, then it will apply to that slide only. And if you want to send the customized theme to anyone or to preserve the theme, come to Design menu. Here select the theme and click on More. and select the option Save Current Theme. Here you can select a different location for your theme. Otherwise, just keep it as default. Here I'm selecting desktop, and if you want to change the file name, you can change it. After that, click on Save. Now come to the desktop, and here I got the theme. Now I can send this to anyone. Similarly, if you want to save this customized presentation as template for future use, come to File, navigate to Save As, and please select the option Other Formats. In Save As dialog box, come to Save As Type, click on the arrow. From the drop down list, please select the option PowerPoint Template, and we can enter a file name. Click on Save. After this, whenever we open a new presentation, we can select the customized theme template from My Templates, and here it will show all the customized templates, and you can check the preview. After that, click on OK. Then it will open the presentation template, and we can modify this with our preferences. Like this, we can customize slide master layouts in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.